At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5'6". Yeah, I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stop pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas outside and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them games, make profits. While I'm still in my same making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Suge, Mike, what we doing, dog? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Happy Friday. It's the final trading day of the week, and my goodness, what a week it's been. Folks, my name is Michael Everett Paranada. I go by Michael Everett. I began my trading career over 17 years ago, working for T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college in New York City, where they taught me how to become a real trader. You see, I had to go through an educational training program at the fund before they let me touch even $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of traders from all over the world reach their goals. We have actually members in 115 different countries, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. And if you guys didn't know this, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines professional and university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We also cover all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, and even long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody inside True Trading Group. But you see, we take that university level of curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. These tools give you more information. They help you make better decisions. They increase your chances of success. But unfortunately, most retail traders don't use them because why? They're expensive. $5,000 to $6,000 a year if you were to pay for them on your own. It's a lot of money, but you need these tools. They increase your chances of success. That's why we have spent years building relationships with these companies to put their products and tools on our platform at no additional cost to you. So you have access to the tools like Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading information, a simulator that lets you practice trading with fake money but real-time data. It's the same simulator that's actually used at Cal State University, Fullerton, University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and also Illinois Tech. The TradingView premium charting software streams live for you guys with real-time tick-for-tick data provided by our partners at Quote Media. You've got unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, the trade idea scanner streams on our platform, and so much more. Of course, you get all of our courses, you get all of our trade alerts, but you also get all of these things. You see, we set you up with everything that you need to have the very best chance of being successful at one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to thousands of our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you guys are ever going to find. Not to mention, you're going to get all the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now going on the last 3 years. So if you are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you folks have come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here with myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, and special guests, drop golden nuggets and give you free lessons, education, and trade ideas that can help you become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, make sure you smash the like button, show some love, turn on your notifications if you guys are subscribed. And if you're not, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You don't ever want to miss out on these live streams, folks. We're going, just taking a quick peek at my positions, guys. We're approaching lows of the day right now on the SPY. So let's actually head on over. Let me take a quick little sip of water. I'm a little parched. And then we'll get over to the markets. We'll talk about what's going on here today. Big red day in the markets. Yesterday was a textbook bull trap. Textbook bull trap yesterday, man. You know what? Let me go full screen so you guys, I'll go full screen so you guys can see. You can see things a little bit easier. Yesterday, if you guys caught my live stream, I go live 6 days a week. And I was live yesterday and I told you guys that yesterday's price action really didn't make a whole lot of sense. That I wasn't really buying into that long, that move that we got yesterday, especially considering the data that we had got. And then today on a quad witching day, the bottom just gets completely dropped out from underneath it. We gapped underneath never mind just a gap down. We gapped underneath the prior day's close, completely erasing yesterday's move right off the opening bell. And the selling pressure has just accelerated throughout the day as yields have really pushed higher, and yields have been stubbornly high. And that is forcing the NASDAQ is down over 1.5%. The S&P is down over 1.5%. You've got oil that's now climbing over $91 a barrel for WTI. Brent is over $94 a barrel. You got the higher than expected CPI and PPI inflation numbers yesterday and on Wednesday. And all of this has been coming together to give you a Dow down 315 points after a day when a lot of people were celebrating yesterday's move and coming into the markets. And today kind of reality sets in. I wasn't really sold on yesterday's move. Full disclosure, I am in currently one position, and that is short Palantir. I shorted Palantir today. I've already taken some profit off the table. It's about a 25% gain on put options for members in True Trading Group, but I will just give you guys the quick little update. I shorted Palantir here. We've covered some of that position going into the afternoon session, and I'm still short, and I plan on staying short over the weekend. My stop loss on the rest of my position is right here, folks, 1550. If Palantir gets back above 1550, I will cover and the rest of my position, and I'll walk away from the trade. So I can't lose money on this trade anymore. I'm short from the 15, right underneath 1550. I've already taken 25% of my position off the table, and I'm holding the rest over the weekend with a final target down in this range. I'm looking for Palantir to get back underneath $15, and I'm looking for us to get down there for me to take more profits off the table. And those of you that are in put options, if I'm correct, and if that move does come to fruition, you should be looking at anywhere from a 50 to 100% gain if we do get the stock to break down underneath $15. Right now, where the options are currently trading, it's about a 25% gain on the options so far from today. So that's full disclosure. That is the position that I'm currently sitting in. I do intend on holding it over the weekend. So all of my members in True Trading Group, all of you that are here, that are in the trade with me to answer some of your questions, I do intend on holding this into Monday. Speaking of Monday, okay, I'm going to be going live Wednesday night. Wednesday. I don't know where I just got Wednesday from. Sunday night, I'm going live. I'm going to give you guys my top trade ideas for the week. Next week's going to be a huge week. You have the Fed meeting next week. So Wednesday, that's why I said Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday is going to be the Fed meeting. So we are going to be preparing for what we're going to get from the Fed. I'm going to go over some if this, then that scenarios with you guys. Like if Jerome Powell says this, if he says that, if they do this, how's the market going to react? What are the stocks that we're going to be focused on? We'll go over all of that stuff. I'm going to give you guys my top trade ideas for the week. We'll do that Sunday evening at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. So if you guys want to set your reminders for that now, Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, we will be live and I'll walk you guys through my top trade ideas going into next week. Next week's going to be a big week. I told you guys earlier this week, so last Sunday, that this was going to be a big week this week. And I have to give a shout out. And have to give a huge congratulations to one of our moderators, Shy Martin, who has just had her biggest week ever in her entire trading career. So I want to give a big shout out and a big congratulations to Shy. All right. Who just has completed her biggest trading week ever. I mean, and I got to be honest with you, this is probably one of the greatest stretches of trading that I've seen. Again, today we're looking at a 73% gain on put options on CrowdStrike. I'll pull up CrowdStrike just for you guys right now, for those of you that are on this. So this is a 73% gain on put options on CrowdStrike, and then a swing trade on Roku, good for about 57%. Roku with a short position yesterday, entry on yesterday's short position on Roku, and then taking profits off here today as Roku is now sitting down here near lows of the day. That's good for about 57% gain on the Roku position. So, and that's just those are probably two of the smaller trades actually, because you had 120% gain this week, 196% gain this week. I mean, just unbelievable stretch of trading. Guys, all right, Palantir's testing lows of the day. Did not quite break it. We did not quite break it. I thought we were going to break that low right there. The SPY just printed new lows. 443 is a big level of support, though, guys. 443 is a big level of support. I'm curious in here, folks, members of True Trading Group. I want to know if you guys made money this week, or you know what, if you're making money in general. I actually want to know. It's been a fantastic week for us, but I want to know in general, if you guys are making money. Go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. Go ahead, members of TTG, go ahead and type the number 1 if you guys are making money and you're becoming better traders with True Trading Group. If you made money with Shy and some of her trades this week, if you made money with some of my trades, or toners, or moments, or unis, or if you guys were scalping with Geo, if you guys made money this week, sound it off in chat right now. I want to know. If you're not a member, I want you to pay attention to how many people are typing number 1 coming across the screen, folks. These are your peers. We had a lot of new trial members in chat today also. I'm curious, all of our trial members that are in chat with us. We had a bunch of people join the trial membership yesterday. I would love to know. I would love to know how you guys thought your first day went. Look at all these people typing number 1. Look at this. Look at all of these people typing number 1. Folks, every single person that's typing number 1, they've all had the same excuses that you've given yourself. They all thought they couldn't do this with a full-time job. They all thought they couldn't do this with a small account. They all thought they couldn't do this because they've lost money in the markets before. But yet here they are now telling you they're making money and they're becoming better traders. And folks, if they can do it, then damn it, so can you. They're not smarter than you. They're not luckier than you. Way to go, Angel Rivera. How's the bathroom coming, brother? Angel is remodeling his bathroom with his trading profits. 150% gain on AMD. Thanks to Mike this morning. God bless TTG and the mods. Angel, my pleasure. AMD was an absolute beaut this morning. An absolute beaut. We called this one out being weak, and right off the opening bell, this thing just collapsed. 150% gain for Angel. Great job. And Eric caught 300. Oh, guys, you guys are making me jealous. Eric with a 300% gain. 300% gain on the AMD puts. I guess, Eric, did you go after today's expiration? I would assume so. I'm assuming you probably have to go after today's expiration in order to get 300% in one day. That's going to be my guess. But congratulations on that one, man. That's a huge one. Congrats, Eric. Great job, man. Overall, TGG taught me to not gamble, and I use my wins to pay for my lifetime membership in all kinds of different boot camps. Elvira Grant, hell yes. Hell yes. Nice. Daniel just joined. Yep, Armand. I remember you joined yesterday, Armand. Excellent. Yeah, if you guys just joined our trial membership, for those of you that just are trial members, if you guys are a trial member, what did you guys think about your first day in chat with us? I know we had a ton of people that joined our trial membership yesterday. I'm just curious. I know Armand, I know you joined last night. I remember you, brother. So I'm just curious how you guys enjoyed your first day in chat with the TTG fam. We got about 7 minutes, guys, before the bell. And the market really is where markets are just sitting down here near their lows. I'm still in that Palantir short. Like I said, I am going to carry that position. And just if you guys are following along on the Palantir, members are in the September 22nd 1550 strike put option. They're in that at around 47 cents, and it's currently trading just under 60. All right, so you're at about a 25% gain right now on that option, but I'm expecting more from this. I'm looking for Palantir to get underneath $15 next week, and I'm looking to be taking profits off down in this region come Monday or Tuesday. We'll see if we can get the follow-through move. My stop loss is above 1550, right? So again, if you're following me on this trade, if Palantir does this, I will then exit the rest of this position. I've taken 25% of my position off the table for profit. I'm still holding 75% of the position. All right. So make sure that everybody is well aware of the Palantir position. $443 big level here, guys, on the SPY. And let me just show you why this 443 is a big level. And I'll draw a line right across it. All right. Now follow me here on the charts, right? Take a look. You got today's low, right? See today's little double bottom low. Then you zoom this over. You got a nice little triple bottom there on the 7th. right? So you guys can see that. And then I'm gonna move to a 15-minute chart just so you can see this a little bit more clearly. And I'm gonna zoom in a bit, and then you're gonna start to see this level of resistance, right? So you guys are seeing this. So this is what I am looking at with regards to the SPY. And while you may get a little bit of a technical bounce, you also have quad witching. So you're gonna get a huge increase in volume going into the closing bell. On the overall markets, you'll see like a massive volume candle come in as you get closer to the bell, as quad witching takes place today. But this is a level of support for the SPY. If this level gets broken, right? If this level gets broken, your next support is right here at 441, and then that's it. You're talking about the 100-day moving average at that point. And I want to take you guys now to, let me delete all this. I'll take you now over to, well, I'll put the levels back. I'll put 443 back. I'm going to put 441 back, because these are the two support levels that you need to be paying attention to. Because if those levels start to give way, then you're talking about you're on a one-way ticket to right here, the 100-day moving average. This purple line you see on my screen. This purple line you see on my screen, it's not just that it's the 100-day moving average. It's all this previous structure from here, right? You see this nice little level of support right there on the SPY. Now that's the 100-day moving average lining up with it. If these levels start to give way, and this is what I think you're going to see. I actually think that we may see the SPY get down into that 100-day moving average is actually what I'm looking for. Not in one day like this. I'm not drawing that to make you think that this is going to happen on Monday, but I think we're going to see this move next week. Now, what can make me be wrong on that? Depending on what Jerome Powell does and what Jerome Powell says. Right? I fully expect the Fed to not raise rates on Wednesday, but the market expects him not to raise rates. I don't think he's going to raise rates, but it comes down to his verbiage. How aggressive is he? How much does he make the markets think that they're not done raising rates? The ECB, that's the European Central Bank, they came out today. They raised rates, but they made it sound like they're done. They kind of gave the, hey, we're finished. We're going to see now what happens. If you get that from Jerome Powell on Wednesday, then the markets are going to start to move to the upside, and you're not going to get this move that I'm drawing for you in the candle right now. But I don't think that Jerome Powell is going to do that. I think that the November meeting is live. There is no Fed meeting in October, so you're going to get the meeting here in September. Then you have a meeting in November, and I think that November meeting is going to be a live meeting. What a live meeting means is that the Fed will be discussing changing monetary policy at that meeting. That's what that means. It's a live meeting. Okay. So I think that this little hiccup that you got, you also have seasonality working against you. September being the weakest month of the entire year. When you think of calendar-wise performance from January to December, September historically over the last 100 years has been the weakest, worst performing month of the entire year. We're only down a little bit here. We're only down about 1% or so in the month of September so far, which really isn't that much. But if this trend continues, this little wipeout that we got today, and today really is a wipeout, I consider yesterday really a bull trap, right? You had this gap up yesterday. You got the 50-day moving average, right? You had this nice little gap up. Everybody got very excited. Yeah, we're above the 50-day. We're going to rally. And then all of a sudden the rug gets pulled out from underneath. And I think a lot of people are trapped yesterday. So I expect a little bit more selling pressure to come in, and my target for the SPY is right down here, folks. We're looking for the mid 430s. The mid 430s next week is going to be my target. We're going to stay short Palantir. We're going to look to be short some of the other tech names. If yields continue to push further, we're going to try to be short those names. You have ARM. The ARM IPO is giving up, all of it. I mean, look at this. Look at this reversal today. We had this amazing day yesterday. Fantastic IPO. Huge success. Now the stock's starting to give some of it back. Still a successful IPO, right? It priced at 51. It opened at 56. It's still trading at 61. Still a successful IPO. But you got a little bit of the wind taken out of the sails of this AI rally today. I mean, you take a look at, ARM selling off new lows, but take a look at what happened to NVIDIA today. NVIDIA got clobbered down $17. And so NVIDIA down big. You take a look, then go look over at AMD. AMD down 5%, right? So this is just massive sell-offs in some of these AI semiconductor names. And guys, now you're going to start to see the volume really go nuts on the SPY. Here, want to see it? There, see, you guys can see the volume coming in on the bottom of my screen. That's quad witching, right? So I told you you're going to see this massive volume surge come into the close. And there you have it. And there it is. There's the bell. All right, so there is that massive volume surge into the close. We are now closed. That's it. That's all she wrote. Quad witching in the books. Big red day in the markets in the books. And it's just been a great week. I got to be honest with you guys. And again, just a big congratulations to Shy on a record-setting week for her, a milestone, her biggest week ever. Just unbelievable trading. Some monster triple-digit gains this week. I told you on Sunday this was going to be a big week. I told you I expected fireworks. I'm telling you this now again. I expect fireworks next week. I expect the same type of performance that we've been able to accomplish in chat this week. I expect it next week because I know there's going to be opportunities with the Fed meeting. I know there's going to be. Just like I knew there was going to be opportunities this week with all the inflation data that we were going to be getting. Now you're going to be getting even more opportunities because of the Fed meeting next week. So get your butts on over inside of the True Trading Group chat room and trade with us during that week. You guys want to join our trial membership? Because I feel like people don't, I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm just going to tell you guys to join the trial membership. But I think we were supposed to give away a free annual membership today. I don't think Adam got around to doing it. I actually have to check with him. I don't think Adam got around to doing it. So for those of you that joined the trial membership, don't worry. You're still in the running for the free annual membership. I don't think we have done that giveaway yet. So everyone that joined the trial membership yesterday, you guys all still are in the running for a free annual membership. Maybe we'll do it Sunday night. I just don't think Adam had a chance getting around to it today, but maybe we'll do the giveaway on Sunday night for the free annual membership. So if you guys are watching the live stream, if you guys want to join the trial membership, it's 7 trading days. The weekends don't count. It's actually 7 trading sessions you're going to get with us. It's a one-time payment of $3. There's no automatic renewal. There's no recurring payment. There's no automatic upgrade. It is literally a one-time payment of $3. You just go to TTG3spelled.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. Okay, that is TTG3 spelled out.com. Enter your name, email, phone number. You're going to click, yes, I want this. You'll fill out the application. You'll pay $3 and you guys will be good to go. That's it. It's a one-time payment of $3. Okay, you don't have to worry about getting an automatic upgrade and then you get charged $1,000. No, we don't do any of that. After your 7-day trial is over, it simply expires and you're never charged anything ever again. Unless you tell us you want to become a full annual member, which I'm pretty confident that you're going to want to do because 78% of our members actually renew their membership. We have a 78% retention rate at True Trading Group. So that's people that have either become lifetime members of the platform or they've renewed their annual membership. Right. So 78% retention rate. I feel pretty good that you guys join us as a trial, and our trial conversion rate is extremely high as well. I think our trial conversion rate is near 50% for people that do the trial and then actually convert to become a full-time member of True Trading Group, which is just incredible. It's an extremely high conversion rate because people come in, they see our platform, they join the community, they see the trades, they hear the analysis, they feel the camaraderie, they get the help that they need. You're not just another number. When you come inside of our platform and you're inside of our chat, you ask questions, people actually answer them. So if you guys want to be part of that for 7 days, I mean, now's the time to do it because next week, all hell's breaking loose with the Fed meeting. I'm telling you that right now. TTGTHREE.com. That is TTG3 spelled out.com. And like I said, we're going to give away that free annual membership. So the trial members, you guys have a shot at a free annual membership. I think maybe we'll actually do that giveaway maybe on Sunday night's live stream. Again, set your reminders for Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to go live. Set your reminders, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to give you guys my top trade ideas for the week, and we'll start to prep for the ever so important Fed meeting. All right. So there you have it, folks. What's the Fed meeting about? Ben Klassen, the Fed meeting is about monetary policy. Is the Fed going to raise rates? Are they not going to raise rates? Are they done raising? Do they have one more still to go? So we're going to find out what the Fed thinks, right? Does the Fed think that they're done? I think there's actually a pretty good chance they might be done. If not, they have one more 25 hike in November. I do not expect a rate hike in September. But I think I'll tell you what, you got higher than expected PPI data yesterday. You got higher than expected CPI data on Wednesday. If you get higher than expected inflation data next month also, then I think it's a dead lock that you're getting a 25 basis point hike in November. But if inflation settles back down to in line with expectations next month, then the Fed may be entirely done. They might be finished. Definitely possible. All right. So that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in here. Like I said, I am still short that Palantir. I'm carrying that position over. I'm short from around 15 and a half. Stock currently trading at 15.29, 15.28. You're up about 25% on the put options. I am holding 75% of my position over the weekend. We'll see if I can break Palantir underneath 15. That should be good for 50 to 75% on the put options for those of you that are following along with the trade. Okay. So that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Set your reminders for Sunday. Go join the trial, ttgthree.com. I'll see you guys all Sunday evening.